Hey, what's up? So I receive a lot of messages and people have been asking me like, how is it possible to make at least $50 a day on Clickbank? So if you got a Clickbank account and for some reason you're struggling even to make your first sale, your second sale, or even to collect a lead, now I'm going to show you in this video like a step by step. So make sure you watch this all the way to the end because after I show you how to set it up, I'm also going to show you where to promote it so you can earn at least $50 per day on Clickbank. So welcome. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre. I talk about affiliate marketing, just different ways how to make money online. So stay with me if you're not a part of this channel so far. Make sure you smash that bell notification, subscribe to this YouTube channel because I taught nothing other than facts, and I make sure that I give you the best methods and strategies so you can go out there and you can crush it for yourself. So we're gonna jump into the video right away. All right, so I'm on Clickbank, and as I said, if you don't have a Clickbank account, it is absolutely free to the public. Just sign up for it. And I know in some countries it don't work, but I've got a lot of message and people been messaging me saying, "Hey, can you show me a method of how you can set this up the right way so at least make $50 per day and earn $50 with this method?" So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna come onto Clickbank and you're gonna go to the marketplace and you wanna find something that is hot and something that is trending. So that's how I always do. If something is hot, something is trending, that means it's selling and there's a lot of buzz around that because sometimes people will hear about it. They probably don't buy right away, but they will buy later. And that's where it's gonna come up. That's where you're gonna show up and that's how you're going to be able to make the sale. So as I told you before, I'm going to show you where you can go so you can set this up. I'm going to show you how to set up a funnel if you don't know how to do that as well. So make sure you grab yourself a nice comfy seat because I'm going to go through a lot of information on this video. So first thing first is we're going to be using, come on here, and what I did, I went on Gravity. Gravity score always shows up what's hot, what's not from top to bottom. So this particular offer right now is out there. It is a hot offer and it's selling like hotcakes. People are buying this left, right, and center. If you go on YouTube, people have already created videos around it. People have created blogs. There's ads out there that are circulating. So yes, people are searching for this. Some people are blasting this to their email list. Some people are using solo ads. So first thing first we want to do is we're going to do this one because this is what we're going to be promoting. So you click on here. You want to make sure that you generate your affiliate link. I'll come back to this and I'll tell you what to do with it. So in order for you to scale this type of business, because a lot of people, what they do, and especially if you're brand new and you're beginner to Clickbank, most people just grab their affiliate link and the first thing that they do, they send traffic directly to it. Now, I'm not saying you will not make a sale. However, it's not as effective as building your list and starting your list so that way you can do follow up and you can send those people offers over and over again. So I use this and I've been using this for like a couple of years now and I still use it to this day. It's called Online Sales Pro. And I'm going to leave a link down below if you guys want to sign up for this. Of course, you can get started. So they have a lot of different, right? They have a lot of different funnels. It's not as expensive as like ClickFunnels. It's very effective because I've been using it. And if you click onto the lead section, you'll see a lot of leads, but I don't want to pull up too much of people's information. So we're going to go into the Biz app. We're going to click on Biz app. In the Biz app area, there are a lot of pages on here. So there's pages. You can easily create one, and I'm going to show you. So we're going to do just an email opt-in. I'm going to click on this, and this already have something typed out, right? Bank an easy $730 monthly passive income using a simple trick. Now, we want to make sure that the offer that we're going to be promoting here on Clickbank is congruent. So I want to copy this. The next thing I want to do is we want to look at it and see if it's something that, and the colors and everything. So if you look on here, one second. I'm trying to get the affiliate hop link here. Boom. Okay, so I probably have to put in my username and password in order for me to get this link. Not sure why this is showing up, but we're gonna get back to that. But here it is. So generate hop link. Once you generate the hop link, this is the Hop Shield encrypted hop link. So you can copy this. Let's try it again one more time. 12-minute affiliate. For some reason, it's asking for password, and I'm not sure why this is coming up. But let me go take a good look at it. So I think you have to go into the affiliate page, and of course, you're going to be getting approved. But let's just look at this. And this guy, Devin Brown, he's been going on for a while. So they're getting at least $3.81 earnings per click. Like if you look at it, that's a lot. Like EPC, that is huge. I'm telling you, huge, huge, huge that they're getting all that. So if you want to get some notification, you can just put in your first name, your last name, and then boom, they'll, you grab your affiliate link, you get the tools and everything. Make sure you put your affiliate ID here and you create it, and they will send it over to you right away. Pretty simple. So once you get your affiliate link, as I said, you want to look at it. It seems like it is blue, 12-minute. So I'm going to go with a blue background. So here I would say, all right, I would say earn an easy, 230 daily. You can do that because it is possible that you can make it that way. You can also put earn, $50 daily. You could do the same. You don't have to put passive income. You can say earn an easy $50 online using this simple trick, right? Because the same thing that I'm teaching, you can also teach it to your list. The more value you give to your email list, the better it's going to be. So what was the color again? The color was blue. So I'm going to change this to blue. So this is where we want to put the affiliate link. You put the affiliate link in here. You want to create a name that you want to call the page. We can call it 12-minute affiliate. All right, call it that way. So that way we know. Autoresponder, you're going to put your autoresponder name. In here, you can connect your autoresponder and everything right away. So it's pretty cool that you could do all this. You can put your list name, put your tracking code if you have to. You can upload a background image if you want to, which you can just grab from Google. And I always get like money background. Money. So I do this. Money is always good. Money attracts money. That's how I look at it. So I'll get something like this. So I'm gonna use this right away. I'm showing you guys how this is set up so you can go out there and do the same thing once you set this up. All right, so I'm gonna go back to Online Sales Pro, upload a money image. Where is the money? So I'll go like this, boom. So it's blue. And then once I'm done, I just click save. And then you're gonna see a preview, right? So look at that, clean. You don't want to make it too fussy or too much information. So you can click done. All right, once you click done, we can go and we can find it. Let's see where we can find it. A 12-minute affiliate right here. So I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna try over in Google, and look at that. See how fast? Quick copy paste, you build a landing page. I know there's a lot of softwares out there that they take so long. You're gonna have to find, coding and all that stuff with Online Sales Pro. Pretty easy to set things up. So that's why I use this to like build some quick funnels, because it's easy to create and it's not as expensive as the other funnels. So as I said, I'm gonna leave a link down below so you can check it out. So once we create the link, now the next thing we wanna do is promote it. Now, this is where the part comes in. So you can go to classified ads, classified ads.co. 1 second. classifyads.com, sorry. So classifyads.com, this is going to be the website. As you can see right here, there's vehicles for rent, pets, personals, items for sales, jobs, real estate. And what you want to do, you want to come down here and you want to look at the different things that you could do. So it gives you different state that you can advertise. Now, of course, we're not selling cars. We're not renting anything. It's not pets. It's not personal. All right. This is like dating stuff. And you can also use this for dating as well. So there's tons of different products on Clickbank. You could do that on here. So right down here, you can see there's sales jobs, there's skill jobs, there's IT jobs, educational, cleaning, business opportunity. BizOp, that's where we want to go. Into the BizOp section, if you look here, you see biz opportunity, biz opportunity updates. There's people on here, work from home, copy and paste. I could tell people already using this. Free training, six-figure training. If you look in here, these are some ads. Concrete violator, home-based travel business. People are looking for work from home travel. If I click on here, I can tell this is going to be an affiliate offer. Nonetheless, right? This person right here is saying, hey, you can call me at this number. So you can put, when they put the name in, this ad just went up, viewed over 662 times. So if you look right here and see this ad, it has been viewed 662 times. I can guarantee you that this person got customers and clients for their travel business. So, excuse me, you see what I'm talking about. There's unlimited leads. There's people coming on here time and time again. And you can post your ads for free. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you come over here, right at the top right-hand corner, you can post your ad. So in the job section, add a title. You can add a title such as like, right? We want to make sure we can earn $50 daily with this online method. Stuff like that. You could use that. You can, you can always want to find something that grabs people's attention because this is good. Asking price, right? You can put free. Asking price, it's going to be $0 because all we're going to do is collect their email. If they want to sign up for it, then great. All right, we want to collect the emails as much as possible. If you want to put the price, not a problem too. So this is where you're going to put some information about what you're doing. And you could be like, this is a work from home opportunity that you can start today. This is 100% legit. And so this is 100% legit. And you can get some information. Get some information by emailing or emailing. Some of you, if you want to do text, you can do text, email, text, or visit this link. So you come here, you can put your link in here. Make sure you put your name. Make sure you put a proper email, preferably a Gmail is always good. You can put your phone number if you want. You don't have to. Make sure you put your zip code, and you can do 9 months. So you can do it. You can do this for 6 months. You can do it for 9 months. So if I were you, I would come on here and I would create an ad every single day, at least 3, 4. You don't want to just make silly ad, and you don't want to put as much ads as possible. You want to make sure that the ads that you put, you want to try them. Don't put it for so long. Let's say you want to try them out for a week at a time. See what's working. And if it's working, you keep it. If not, you just let the thing run out. So you can put a tutorial video right here. You can upload a photo. Again, you can put a money picture on here, just like that. Put the money picture, upload it. Once you do that, then boom, you can post the ads. And all they're going to do, they want to make sure that you agree. So at all times, and I always say this, every single time you use a platform, whether it's Google, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, make sure you read the terms and condition, make sure you read the privacy policy, make sure you read these things before posting, because guess what? They'll probably not approve your stuff. So even though I'm telling you all this stuff, they probably won't approve it. So it's best you come down here and you read it to see exactly what you can do and what you can do. Most people just want to take shortcut. They just don't want to read it. So you read it, see if it's allowed, and then you just post your ads. And then once you start posting ads, you're going to start getting traffic. You're going to get people inside of your business. So make sure you do that. And as I said, upload at least one a day. You just come home from work, make one a day. Make no excuses. Do one per day, and you're going to see what's going to happen by the time the new year comes in. Into the new year, things are going to kick in. All right. So I do hope you enjoy that video. Make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. As I said before, go to andremilleronline.com. If you do enjoy this video and you want to see what I'm working with, what I'm actually doing, go to andremilleronline.com and I will send you over my number one recommendation. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it. And if you like what you see, comment down below. A lot of you just watch the videos, you don't even say anything. All right? Give me some credit. Give me some love. If you don't like the video, just say you don't like it. It's okay. I'm not going to get offended. All right? I'm just straight to the point. So appreciate you. See you in the next video. Peace.